As the flesh is laying down, you whom I'm speaking to was going out, they will say he has gone. But the right person who has been appearing is there. But that moment they will say he has gone. So that one who disappears from us and come away from the friends, when the body is still there, is the one I'm talking about. So the enemy of that bad person, that remains, people see. Because he knows he will not go in eternity. That's why every time is an enemy. Whenever you do what takes your head, he tries to hinder you. He tries to stand before you. He wants to distract you. Because he knows you're going in victory. But praise the living God. He gives us the grace to overcome and we do spiritual things. We go in the house of God and we say you are it. When you're alone, you understand you've overcome that. You clap yourself because no one will clap for you. They clap big people. Even the good dancers are clapped. But if you overcome that, you will not get someone to clap you. So fight to dilate your body, the enemy that clap for me. So now the flesh is going to clap you. Amen. That's why you seek God. Seek for person to worship him. But the one hindering you to worship is not you. Even you want. But your enemy, as the flesh, hinders you to worship. If it is time to jump, he may tell you, no, I'm weak. Inside of you, you feel like jumping. But the flesh tells you, I don't have power to jump. It tells you, it is enough for me. He brings that hindrance to worship God. Every time he's talking, every time he's making sure that you backslide. Amen. So we need to know our God. We understand our God. We silence the flesh every day. We silence the flesh every day. We do God's will. But if the flesh is still speaking, because the flesh has the excuses. It has the excuses. Every time you see someone having excuses, that one is in the flesh. That's the flesh giving excuses. As you see from the beginning, as man sinned, when he was asked, he started giving excuses. But what brought to him to sin? The flesh admired, the eyes saw, they saw it was good. Time came, he disobeyed God. Because the flesh whispered him that one is so good, and now touch it, you shall be powerful. When the owner came, who commanded him, the flesh became a lawyer. He said, no, this lady you gave me brought me that problem, but for me I'm powerful. And even the woman said, not me, that's name. Excuses began from that time. That's why up to now we have excuses. They may say, why did you fellowship? Now we bring excuses. You may deny what you did. Have you ever seen someone deny
banana when it is in. They caught him with something stolen. They say, what did you do? These ones are telling me that I stole. But they are saying what is stole. Who is giving the X to? It is the flesh. Let's always fight the flesh.